Thank you for watching Dreams Free Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. This is Chappie. Today we're going to go through a quick flow. So let's begin by getting into a nice comfortable seat and close your eyes. Begin to focus in on your breathing. Bring awareness to where you are today. How does the body feel? And as you continue to focus on your breathing, you could set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and something to bring forward with you into the rest of your day. On your next inhale, go ahead and open up your eyes. You're going to bring the hands to heart center in prayer and reach them up overhead, gazing up at the hands. And exhale down, drawing the hands and arms out to the side in cactus pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. You're drawing the shoulder blades down the back, drawing the shoulders down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just bring the hands back to your knees. Inhale, arms out to the sides, and exhale over to the left side. Bringing the right elbow up, looking underneath it. Inhale back to center, bring both arms up, and exhale over to the right side, looking underneath the left elbow. Inhale back to center. Bring both arms back up overhead. Bring them down. Hands to heart center in prayer. Close your eyes. We're going to take a breath together. On an inhale, think let. On the exhale, think go. So inhale, let. Exhale, open your mouth wide, go. Just let it go. And open the arms up overhead, imagining letting go of anything that's weighing you down. Bring the hands back together, and now interlace the fingers, bring them behind your head. On an inhale, arch back very slightly, looking up. And on an exhale, draw the elbows forward and come down towards your knees with the elbows. Inhale back up. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come back to center. Bring the hands back out to the sides. Inhale up into a T. Exhale over towards the left side. Bring the right hand to the knee and look behind you, gazing over the left shoulder. You're rotating at the shoulders. I'm just taking a few breaths here. Inhale back to center and exhale over to the other side, looking over the right shoulder. And inhale back to center. We're going to come over into your tabletop position. So go ahead, shift over onto all fours. From your tabletop position, go ahead and plant the toes. Begin to press up, shift the hips back towards the back of the room in downward facing dog. And this is your first down dog, so it may be a little stiff. You can go ahead and pedal the feet. Always remember to draw the shoulder blades down the back. Don't hunch your shoulders. Make some movements up and down. And on your next inhale, look in between your hands. Step forward to the front of the mat. Rise all the way up, hands overhead, hands to heart center in prayer. Now bring the hands down to the sides. Sit back in your chair. Bring the arms out overhead and then inhale. Exhale, dive forward. Bring the hands down to the floor. Try to straighten the legs as much as you can. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Step back with the left foot in high lunge. Bring the knee down to the mat and come up in low lunge. Hands overhead, breathing space into that hip flexor. On an exhale, bring the hands down beside the right foot. You're going to come up on the left foot and twist over to the right side. Just breathing here. Then bring the right hand down. You're going to spin the left foot parallel with the back of the mat. Open up to the left side. On your next inhale, go ahead and cartwheel up into Warrior Two. Gazing over the fingertips. Straighten the right leg. Bring it forward so that you're in five-pointed star. Shift the left foot towards the back of the mat in Warrior Two to the back of the mat. Bring the hands down by the foot. Step back. Take your vinyasa. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause for a breath here. Look in between your hands. Step forward to the front of the mat. Rise all the way up in tall mountain. Hands to heart center in prayer. Repeating the flow. So go ahead and sit back. Rise up with your hands in front of you. Inhale, exhale, dive forward. Try to straighten your legs best you can in forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Forward fold. Step back with the right foot this time in high lunge. Drop the knee. And go ahead and come up in low lunge. Shifting forward a little. Trying to get a good stretch in that other hip flexor. Bring both hands down beside the foot. Come up on the right toes. And then twist over to the left. Just breathe. Try to keep an even amount of weight on the hand and the foot. Bring the left hand back down. Spin the right foot parallel with the back of the mat and open up to the other side. Gazing up overhead at the fingers. On your next inhale, go ahead, cartwheel up into Warrior Two. Straighten the left leg. Turn the left foot to the front in five-pointed star. Turn the right foot back towards the front of the mat. Cartwheel down beside the foot. Step back into plank. Take your vinyasa. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look in between your hands. Step or hop forward. And just come down into a seat. I'm going to bring those legs out in front of us in Dandasana. Inhale up tall. And exhale, forward fold. Try to sink forward a little more with each exhale. Remembering to draw the stomach in. On your next inhale, come back up to center. Pick up the right knee, reach behind with the right hand. Reach up overhead with the left hand. Exhale, hook the elbow to the right knee and look behind you. Release the twist and change sides. Bring the right knee down, left knee up, left hand behind you. Inhale up overhead, hook the elbow and twist looking behind you. Unwrap from your twist. Go ahead, bend both legs. With control, roll back down to your mat. We're going to do bridge pose, so just bring the heels down to the floor, hands beside your heels. On an inhale, just lift everything up. Hold it for a few breaths, engaging the glutes. And exhale everything back down. Let's come into happy baby. Lift your feet up and grab the sides of the legs, sides of the feet, whatever you can reach. And if you'd like, just roll from side to side. Getting a good massage in that low back. Go ahead and bring the knees together. Reach up, give yourself a big hug because you did awesome today. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. All effort of your practice, just let it go. Begin to relax from the top of your head, in between your eyes. Relax your jaw. Relax your throat, your chest. Relax the stomach, the hips. Relax the thighs, all the way down to your feet. Feel how you are heavy against the floor beneath you, how you are supported by gravity. Know that you are supported in everything that you do and that you are safe. If you have time, you could pause this video and stay in Savasana as long as you would like. Otherwise, go ahead and begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. And when you're ready, go ahead and press back up into your comfortable seat. Bring the hands back to your knees. Close your eyes one more time. Do a scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. Thank yourself for taking time for you today to do something good for you. Bring your hands to heart center and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me doing yoga today. If you like yoga videos, please subscribe to my channel. I put up more videos every week. And you can check out my website at dreamspreestudio.com to see where I'm practicing in person. You guys take care out there, and I'll see you next time.